Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 5th of March, 2019. Another very cold day, high of only 18 degrees. My guess is we're going to be stuck inside for recess. Low tonight of 4. There is a 40% chance of rain or snow. There you go. Now you can see my ugly mug a little bit better. 40% chance of rain or snow. My guess is, being how cold it is, probably not going to be rain. Our PBIS expectation, we've been talking about the bus. So today we're going to focus on being safe on the bus. That means that you're staying seated at all times and keeping your body inside the bus. I know 152, I think we had an issue on that yesterday along both of those lines. Keep your feet on the floor and report all problems to your driver so that they can handle it or let me handle it. Make sure that you're walking to the bus, backpack in your lap, making sure you're keeping your hands and feet to yourself. Make sure you're using kind words and actions too. Just a reminder, faculty, that we have a meeting today at 3:45, and there is a half day of school this Friday. It is Records Day for teachers, and unfortunately, Miss Sherrard's groups will not meet today. Lunch, we have that awesome garden salad today with some crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at the pizza pinwheel, some green peas, that strawberry kiwi frozen sherbet cup, and that stuff's good. And then some crunchy baby carrots, of course. Let's see, door contest ends Thursday. March is reading month. Coffee with Kramer tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. in the cafeteria. Invite your parents to come out and have a cup of coffee with me. And then the Voyager store orders are going to be filled tomorrow, so make sure you get your orders in today. Ms. Graveson is nice enough to help us out with that, so thank you to her, as well as our PBIS Tier 1 team for getting all of that stuff ready. Definitely looking forward to seeing what some of you decide to get, and maybe I'll take a couple more pies to the face. I'll remember a change of clothes this time. Door decorating contest only goes through March 7th, which is Thursday, and judging will take place this Thursday, I believe, also by our interventionists. Here's our March's reading month calendar, so you can see today. We got Read What You Wear. Mine's real simple. Voyagers. I was going to wear my Crunchy Baby Carrots shirt, but I had a meeting at admin, so I figured I probably shouldn't wear Crunchy Baby Carrots to my meeting at admin. Tomorrow, readers are leaders. Dress for and read about a career you would like to have one day. I'd like to come in a baseball uniform. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I have an extra one laying around. Thursday is the door decorating contest. Announcers will be announced, and then Friday is a half day. Looking at next week, on Monday, exercise your mind with 20 minutes with a good book. So make sure you are doing all of those fun things. And again, thank you to Mrs. Palmatier for helping us out and getting that stuff started. All right, students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go with the pledge after I get a drink of coffee. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!